Firstly, how is the stay at MIT?
It was awesome. You guys have taken care very well. All the facilities were there. We liked that. It was a nice experience.
Yeah, the same from my side. I love staying here. Okay. MIT, it's a good place. Manipal, the weather here is very nice compared to Hyderabad. I was
So what were your expectations when you planned on conducting this Microsoft Windows Phone app development?
So we were thinking like we'll start with the basic, with the person who is the student who are not aware of that, and then at least they'll reach to one extent where they can at least publish or complete their 50% of your app or their app, right? And they were able to reach. So today we were going through each person and we were figuring out like most of the students reached the 50% they have completed, and some of them are it's like nearer to the publish to the store. So it was nice, and we are looking for more apps from the MIT students to publish on the store. So that's the expectation.
So as we know that you have been here before for Microsoft Windows app development.
Yeah.
So can you compare both the experiences?
There has been one similarity between both the events, the enthusiasm. So all MIT guys they are very much enthusiastic about the technology. So yeah, that's what keeps us bringing back to MIT. Yeah, I would love to come back also. So I would like to say the same enthusiasm every time.
Now, what brings you to MIT? What students?
And that's why I told you, right? The enthusiasm I saw last time. That's why I told him
Yeah,
to go
so-
to MIT.
Yeah, so he was the first person who last time visited, right? And he said like today, this time also that the new event is coming, let's plan for that because the students are very great and they are very keen to learn new things. So that's what brings us here to like explore more how they are pretty.
And you mentioned about our alumni who also encouraged you to come here. So can
Nobody
you-
else has been came on
Yeah.
our this thing.
Oh. So what is the success? What is the success metrics for this?
We would like to see
Yes.
one app from all the participants. Not in like the coming month, but in the coming year at least. Yeah. At least 50% of the apps which have been started today in the app store.
So we would like to see like if those apps were published, right? That means that the success saying that they have done something and they were able to reach the success at like that they published their apps as well.
So finally, just can you sum up the whole notes of was it a success? Was it?
It was a success.
It
Complete
was
success.
It's a good success for us.
Microsoft instructors. The instructors are good. Like they were able to explain a lot of things to us. Like they taught us a very new things proper way, so we could understand them easily. The instructors were very knowledgeable. They were quite expressive in their thoughts.
I would say they had a lot of experience in them, so they were very helpful in a lot of ways, and they were knowledgeable too. They were.
And whenever we asked them to clear any doubts, they were able to do so.
So how was the pace? Was it okay by them?
It was a bit fast. I mean, I found it difficult to keep up with the pace.
Actually, they had to teach so much in so less time.
And also they were, because of the Manipal Wi-Fi and the internet, they were stuck up many times, so that they took that, whatever time was lost, they had to pace up, so it's not their fault, but it was a bit painful.
Can you list out some positives from the workshop?
Positive. Basically, you see, the workshop was pointed at Windows Phone development. So, the workshop, although being a bit fast at sometimes and being slow at sometimes, the positivity of the workshop was that everybody was enthusiastic. So basically, when you're excited about the workshop, so you get to learn more by discussing with people and all. The instructors were good; they cleared our doubts.
So can you tell me what all have you learned?
Basic app, as in 5 days, I am able to create my own app and I can run it on my phone. So that's a good thing.
And we can also connect to that online database, the cloud service. We can store our data and retrieve it through our app, which is a very advanced kind of a system.
Yeah, basically, and we've learned how to use the software that we were using, the Visual Studio and the...
List out some areas that you think need improvement.
The Microsoft.
Yeah, from the Microsoft team.
First thing, they should have provided the resources. As in the first 2 days, we didn't had any software, because the software wasn't working properly. So that created a mess initially. But now it's okay. But they should have given some resources so that we could have get to
The softwares which they said they need, we couldn't have, like, have it. So they should have got the software installation and all if possible.
That was the basic drawback. If they went a little slowly, that would be better.
They had to go slowly. The pace was like they had to go something.
It wasn't their fault, but
Yeah, I told you that the workshop was fast at times and it was a bit slow at certain times also. So if the pace was good, it would have been
The
good.
pace should have been maintained.
And they could also have done dedicated a full day for the app installation. Like few
They could have done it in advance
Yeah.
before the workshop.